السلام علیکم پیارے حضور.
وعلیکم السلام باسمہ صاحبہ.
My name is Basma Vestjadran, and my question is that at times we do not agree to certain advice given by our parents, but later realize it was for our benefit. Hazur, how can we improve this way of thinking and become more obedient towards our parents?
Basma Jadran, are you from Sindh?
Ji.
جدران فیملی کی ہو؟ نواب شاہ کی؟
جی.
اچھا
راشد. جی.
کمال ہے. اچھا. You see, don't make haste in taking any decision. Right? When you hear anything from your parents, instead of just getting annoyed and refusing it outrightly, you can just keep quiet, think over it, ponder over it, and then see what they are saying. Is it good for me, or the ultimate result of it will not be beneficial for me? So, you, being a wise person, being a mature person, now you are Nasrat, 12, 13, 14, 15, quite a mature girl. So you should try to see the pros and cons of the advice your parents are giving. So if you have any doubt with regards to that advice, that you can again ask them. And it is the duty of your parents that they should satisfy you. Right? But as you are saying that later on, if you realize that it was of your benefit, that means the advice was good. So you should think twice before taking any action, denying it, refusing it, or accepting it. Right? So be patient, as I have said. Then pray to Allah Ta'ala also that I could not understand what they are saying. So if it is in any way is of my benefit, then let me understand it and let me act upon it. See, pray to Allah Ta'ala as well. So this is how you can improve. Think twice, pray to Allah before taking any decision. Okay?